Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare Aval Coconut Laddu. This is a very healthy sweet. It can stay without spoiling for several days. Let us see how to prepare Aval Coconut Laddu. Here I have taken 4 cups rice flakes. I have used the thin white variety. We can use the brown variety also. Let us dry roast the rice flakes. The rice flakes are crisp now. This is sufficient. Let us turn off the gas. The rice flakes have cooled. Let us transfer them to a mixie jar. Let us powder it. We need a coarse powder. Then I have taken 3 by 4 cup jaggery, half cup coconut grated. Let us keep a kadai on the flame. Let us add the jaggery. Let us add half cup water. Let us melt the jaggery. Let us add 3 cardamom powdered. The jaggery is sticky now. Let us add the coconut. We have cooked the coconut for a minute now. Let us add the powdered rice flakes. The jaggery has been absorbed. This is a little dry. This is sufficient. Let us turn off the gas. The rice flakes have cooled a bit. Let us shape the laddus. Aval Coconut Laddu is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving plate. Hope you like the Aval Coconut Laddu preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.